Damn.
Not bad.
Good morning, ladies and gents. It's 8 a.m. on a Sunday morning, and you know what that means? It's Malibu car meet. Let's meet up with Zach and Gary and head over. Ugh. You just make everyone jealous in your Honda?
Everybody would be jealous. Car wash would be jealous.
Hey, how you doing? There it is.
How's the new grill?
Long hair. They all have long hair. Long hair is expensive to maintain.
It is.
Yeah.
Imagine buying like
All that shampoo.
a little bit more shampoo than normal.
Yeah. Nice shampoo. Another 458. There's a tunnel. Oh, we scared her. Oh yeah.
That was so much fun.
Oh my god. That was unreal. Oh, 48. Dude, what is going on here? There's too much simulation. I felt that.
Yeah. I could have roasted marshmallows from here.
This is unreal.
I mean, if I had to choose, I would agree.
Huh? Huh? This is serious. Oh my god, look at that shit out. Damn. Hey Zach.
Yes.
Can I drive your car on the way back?
And then you push the button on.
Hold it.
You hold it, and then you got the e-brake down. And then this goes.
First I hold it.
So now you're gonna see what it smells like to drive behind you.
Does it smell phenomenal?
It smells like burning titanium. Dude, he drives it slower than you.
I know.
Unbelievable. Finally. So how do you like the GTR so far?
Oh, this car is so fast. I'm gonna feel like my Miata is broken when I get back in it.
It's a rocket.
It's a rocket. Oh. Zach's like, why the f did I let him drive my car?
Oh my god. All right, what'd you think?
Dude, my palms are sweating. Wow, the acceleration is unbelievable.
No, it actually handles really well in the canyons. You know, I know, you know, you and I have driven a lot. And that's the only thing I would take away from it is the fact that, you know, my car has a lot of power. But
It's
being
just
that your
heavy,
car's
too.
exactly,
Yeah.
being that your car is so light,
Did it
it's
feel
able to-
really light when you-
yeah, you're able to take the turns
Do
a
you
lot
like it, the
faster.
convertible?
Oh, I love it.
Yeah,
the air.
that's pretty nice.
Yeah, no, it's absolutely. I love it. You get,
That thing sounds unbelievable.
Yeah.
Unreal.
Yeah, no, it's a fun car.
That could be us.
The first thing, it could have been. Shouldn't have got out so soon.
All right.
Alright, the first Excel.
Are you on the gas pedal?
Well, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Redlining Redhead out.